Hi everybody, it's Miss Lorenz. I'm going to talk to you about Unit 2, Lesson 3. So make sure that you have your math notebook out and you're ready to take some notes. In this little mini lesson, we're just going to be talking about doubling and tripling a recipe. So let's talk about the recipe for fizzy juice in this example. So we'll say fizzy juice mixes 5 cups of cranberry juice with 2 cups of soda water. That's where the fizziness comes from. To double the recipe, so we're talking about doubling. To double this recipe, we would use 10 cups of cranberry juice. So instead of 5 cups, we're doubling the 5 to get the 10 cups of cranberry juice and doubling the 2 cups of soda water to get 4 cups of soda water. To triple the recipe, this time we're going to use a factor of 3. We would use 15 cups of cranberry juice because 5 times 3 is 15. And we're going to use 6 cups of soda water because 2 times 3 is 6. So this diagram is a nice way to look at how a single batch doubles to become this double batch and triples to become this triple batch. Isn't that a nice diagram? So we have a single batch, double batch, triple batch. But what I want you to notice as you're doing this is that we are essentially drawing equivalent ratios here. And so we would say that the ratio 5 to 2, which is what we have here in our original batch, is equivalent to the ratio 10 to 4, which is equivalent to the ratio 15 to 6. So equivalent ratios, that's a really big piece of this unit. So a big piece of this recipe idea and the context of this juice is that even though the amounts of each ingredient within the batch are not the same, in other words, like here we're only using 5 cups of cranberry juice to 2 cups of water. Here we're using 10 to 4. Since the ratios are equivalent, since we've expanded both the juice and the soda water by the same factor, then we know that the juice would taste the same. That's a big piece. Equivalent ratios end up having the same taste if we're talking about a recipe. All right, hope that makes sense. Get to work on your practice problems, and thanks for listening.